Today, I'm here to talk to you about the most effective pills that can help permanently remove marijuana from your system. If you're in the process of detoxing from weed or just looking to pass a drug test, stick around because this video is going to be incredibly helpful for you. When you consume marijuana, your body breaks it down into components known as marijuana metabolites. These metabolites are fat-soluble, which means they tend to stick to body fat. As they circulate with the blood and enter fat cells, they get stored there. Later, when your body breaks down these fat cells for energy, the marijuana metabolites are released back into the bloodstream, and the cycle continues. These metabolites that make it to the liver get metabolized further and are sent to the intestines and bladder to be excreted. Interestingly, over 65% of marijuana metabolites are expelled through the intestines. However, some of these metabolites can be reabsorbed back into the bloodstream, ending up in your blood and fat cells once again. This process keeps weed metabolites circulating in your body for quite some time. Still here? I'm proud of you. To effectively remove all marijuana metabolites from your body, detox pills must enhance every single step of this marijuana pathway to accelerate its excretion. They should increase the breakdown of body fat, speeding up the release of marijuana metabolites into the blood. They need to boost metabolism in the liver, ensuring that marijuana is processed and excreted more swiftly. Additionally, they should prevent the reabsorption of THC in the intestines. And this concludes our boring sciencey section. Here's a fair warning before we jump into the product recommendations. Understand that there are no miracle one-day detox solutions. The permanent removal of marijuana traces from your body requires time. Enhancing the fat-burning process and speeding up your metabolism takes time. Therefore, you should expect it to take at least 1 week. There are products claiming to be one-day detox solutions, but they don't actually detoxify you. Instead, they temporarily mask the traces of marijuana to help you pass a drug test. I'll share more about those options later on. Okay, let's dive into which marijuana detox pills are the best. Starting with the most affordable option, we have activated charcoal pills. You can find these on Amazon for $14 with enough servings to last you 2 months. Activated charcoal is one of the top absorbents. Research has shown that it effectively absorbs marijuana metabolites. This means it can capture these metabolites in the intestines and prevent them from being reabsorbed back into the bloodstream. While these pills focus on just one step of the marijuana detox process and might not offer the most comprehensive effect, every little bit of help counts. Next up, we have St. John's wort pills. These increase the production of enzymes that are responsible for the metabolism of marijuana in the liver, meaning marijuana will be metabolized and excreted much faster. Like activated charcoal, these pills also target just one step of marijuana metabolism. They're available on Amazon as well, but be cautious as they can cause drug interactions, so it's wise to consult your doctor before using them. Now let's talk about the big players. The most effective detox solution I've found is the Toxin detox programs. These guys have been around for 23 years and really know their stuff. Their detox programs are designed to target every step of marijuana metabolism, promoting a faster excretion of marijuana. They offer several detox programs tailored for different types of users. However, I recommend staying away from the 3- and 5-day detox kits, as these durations are usually not sufficient for a full detox. The 5-day program might only be enough if you used once or twice, but realistically, your body would detox on its own during that time. So if you use marijuana once or twice a week, aim for a 7-day detox kit. For more frequent users, a 10-day detox program is advisable. These programs also include a detox liquid, which is especially useful if you need to pass a drug test. With numerous positive reviews, these programs have proven their effectiveness. To get Toxin detox pills, follow the link in the description. Next, as promised, let's talk about one-day detox pills. Such pills don't actually detoxify you, but can help you pass a drug test. They work by temporarily slowing down marijuana metabolism and preventing the excretion of metabolites into the urine. This reduces the concentration of detectable metabolites in the urine, helping you pass the drug test. The most effective same-day weed tox solution I found is the California Gold Test Pass Detox tablets. After taking these tablets, as directed, they start working in just 45 minutes and keep your body cleansed for up to 5 hours. They should be taken on the day of the test. However, for maximum effectiveness, I recommend using them as part of the Fast Marijuana Detox Kit, which includes these tablets. The Fast Marijuana Detox Kit is designed to cleanse your urine for up to 5 hours, starting to work in just 1 hour. The kit has everything to restore urine color and key levels, such as specific gravity and creatinine levels. This ensures you pass not just the drug test, but also the urine validity test. It can't be detected by labs and is totally legal. Plus, it's effective for any body size or level of marijuana use. You can also get fast shipping for next-day delivery. Each kit includes easy-to-follow instructions and a detailed healthy detox guide, a $60 value for free. To grab this kit, just follow the link in the description.